Welcome to Nelson's English School, Standard 3rd, Subject SS. Lesson 3, The Story of the Earliest People. Let us now study the history of human beings, which began many years ago. Historians study the remains such as bones and teeth of people who lived long ago. Things that early humans made and used, such as stone tools and cave paintings, also tell us about their life. Early humans are called hominins. The earliest hominin remains have been found in Africa. Hominins were quite different from modern humans. They looked similar to apes and walked on all fours. Over many years, they learned to walk on two legs. Modern human beings slowly developed from hominins over a long period of time. They appeared on Earth about 2 lakh years ago. Early humans hunted animals and gathered fruits and roots for food. Slowly, they realized that it was easier to hunt, to dig roots, and to cut their food using sharp stones as tools. At first, early humans used stones and pieces of wood with sharp edges which they could find around them. Early humans developed the skill to make their own tools. They made sharper and better stone tools by striking one stone against another till their edges became sharp. These stones were shaped like almonds. They could be tied to a long piece of wood and thrown at an animal from a distance. This helped early humans to hunt animals without going near to them. Most tools were made of stone, but sometimes wood and bones were also used. Early humans got better at making tools. The stone tools became smaller, sharper, and easier to use. People started making different types of tools for different purposes. As humans mostly used stone tools during this period, it has come to be known as the Stone Age. Life of early people. As you can see in this picture, early humans lived in caves to protect themselves from heat, cold, rain, and wild animals. They wore the fur and skin of animals to stay warm. They lived in groups and helped one another. The men hunted animals while the women and children gathered fruits. That is why they are known as hunter-gatherers. They had to move from place to place looking for food. Early humans lived in groups. They need to talk to each other. They use hand movements and signs to talk to each other without words. Early humans also created beautiful art in the form of cave paintings. These have been discovered in different parts of the world. They show animals, hunting scenes, etc. Early humans completely depended on nature. They were also scared of certain things in nature, such as thunder, rain, and lightning, as they could not understand what caused them.